Alright, Alishanmao, this is my challenge to you. I will send you my fun RC car 3D printable shell. There's this one. I have many more. I have a old style Austin Healey. I have a Honda. I have basically a bunch of these, and this one is a Supra inspired shell, so that you can print out your own shells for your wltoys. Come on, take up my challenge. I think this would look awesome on your channel. You have a 3D printer, as you said. You kind of wanted to do this anyway. Come on, let's collaborate on a project. Would be awesome. Anyway, if you decide to take me up on the offer, you know, I have STL files, and anybody else who wants to give this a try, just comment on my channel. I'll get you the STL file and we'll move on from there. Come on, let's pretend that YouTube actually connects people together and helps them collaborate on projects, because it hasn't. It hasn't for me. It hasn't happened for me. But maybe it will happen this time. Anyway, that's my challenge to Alishanmao, which, by the way, big shout out to his channel. It's awesome. See you in the next one.